I already finished my enhancement one, and I want to demonstrate how it works in my end. So I have here template.php. I'll try to run it first, and this is how it looks like. And I believe it's pretty much the same as what we have in the module. And I'll try to run the home.php, and this is how it looks like, and it's responsive. So for a desktop view, this is how it looks like, and for the mobile view, this is how it looks like. So it has all these changes here as well as the format. So I'm trying to make it bigger. This background color here disappears, and the format changes as well. And that's the navigation. If I try to use the developer tool here, try to emulate Windows Phone, then it looks like this. Yeah, I think this is pretty much the same as what we have in the module.